So we reached MGM Hospital, Pune for our OPD. This is a good sized hospital and we reached early morning, but patients were already there, already waiting. And when we entered, some people were still coming with all their reports, their records, their MRIs, X-rays, some of our previous patients, some new patients. तो आप देख सकते हैं कि वेटिंग एरिया में so many families waiting and काफ़ी पेशेंट थे but they were very cooperative. This is the Christmas tree that our reception people have erected just next to our OPD. They are very efficient and they were in full attendance even on a Sunday. I'm very thankful to the whole staff and the management. And these are some pictures of their indoor facilities. It's a around 100-bedded hospital with OTs, CT scans, X-ray facility, everything. And this is a good, spacious, clean waiting area. And all the patients were seated comfortably. पुणे में इतनी ठंड नहीं है जितनी दिल्ली में है, but still it was cold, especially in early morning. तो पेशेंट्स का थोड़ा सा कुछ कन्फ्यूजन था कि अपॉइंटमेंट्स का, वेटिंग का कुछ था, बट आई थिंक बिकॉज ऑफ आवर स्टाफ एंड कोऑपरेशन ऑफ आवर पेशेंट्स वी वर एबल टू सॉर्ट इट आउट. So you can see our patients kept the reception area very busy, and it's all because of Miss Anju who arranged everything for us. These patients, some patients were traveling 600 kilometers. They came a day before. And this is our X-ray facility. And I suggested to the management that we need to upgrade the X-ray machine because especially patients who need spine X-rays, they need a better machine. And these are our staff and patients, old patients, our reception staff. Thank you very much. And this is our old patient, and Anju, thank you very much. You made it happen. I would love to come back here next year. Thank you.